Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to watch more to learn more, that is. So, anyways, on the US dollar Swiss, I mean, we had FOMC yesterday, which didn't have that big of an effect on this one, but I think that it is pretty clear that this is an A. I think this is very clearly one, two, three waves down for a wave B. And I also think it's pretty dang clear that we are going up right now for a wave C. I think it's going to go up to the 50 or perhaps the 61% because there's a lot of support and resistance in that area right there in the past. So I am definitely looking at this move up as a possible correction to this move down. So once this ABC is over, it likely will end up continuing the downtrend. Now I am on the 4 hour time frame because you definitely do lose a little bit of clarity if you go down to a shorter time frame. But if you do trade the shorter time frames, if you are confident that the 4 hour is going up to make a wave C, maybe up to one of these higher fib levels, then there's probably a really good likelihood that if you go down to shorter time frames and look for pullback entries to go long, then those are going to be pretty likelihood to be very profitable trades. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.